Hello everyone! Today I will tell you about the best Android unlock tool called PassFab Android Unlock. This is a 2-in-1 removal tool for Android screen and FRP lock. This tool supports one-click bypassing all Android screen lock. This is best Samsung FRP lock removal tool. This tool supports almost all versions of Android, from old to latest one. Also, this tool supports almost all Android devices like Samsung, Google Pixel, Huawei, MI, and LG. For more information, you can check their website. I will add the link in the description box and pinned comment. You can download this tool from description box. After downloading, install this tool on your PC. After complete installation, you can buy the full version of this tool by clicking here. Here you can see all of their plans, and you will get 20% off if you buy from the link in the description box and pinned comment. After complete registration, you will get login details on your Gmail account. Enter your login details here and click register. After complete registration, now you can use all of this tool features. Now let's see how this tool works. You can see this phone is FRP locked. Now let's remove the FRP lock of this device. First, connect your phone with PC, then click Remove Google Lock and select All Android version option, and then click Remove Now. Now enter code and click Next. Now wait until the process completes. You can download this tool from the link in the description box and get 20% off.